Ba-da-ba. Oh, I forgot. I want to get cozy. I'm lighting a candle. I need to refill on the bevy. My bevy of choice today is a nice, cold, delicious, giant, juicy cup full of H2O, baby! Woo! We getting hydrated up in this joint. Howdy everyone, tonight I am deep in the Colorado wilderness and it is a freaking cozy night. It is raining, it is a nice cool temperature, I'm feeling good, and I'm gaming in my van, in the woods, while it's raining, and I'm cozy, and I just wanted to document it. So that's why we're here. I didn't plan to film a video today, but you know, I'm feeling really good today, and I just wanted to sort of document this moment where I'm just in my cozy little van playing World of Warcraft, and I figured, you know what, why not, while I'm at it, let's answer one of the most popular questions that I get all the time, which is, what do I do for a living, and how on earth am I able to fund this incredible lifestyle of living and traveling in my van? So, what the heck-a-rooney skadooney do I do for a living? Well, my friends, I work in the film industry full-time. Yup, I make movies and television shows full-time, baby. I've done a lot of great movies, I will say. Oh, gosh! Oh, freak, he's gonna destroy me. I'm still gonna go after him. Oh my gosh, hold up. I'm still gonna get him. What if I do this? What if I heal? Can I get it? Man, dadgummit. He was level 70 though, so I can't hate myself too much. Although I am really bad at this game. But back to the freaking subject. Okay, I'm mumbo jumbling. I'm mambling and bambling. I'm a daggum goofball, man. I just be saying stuff. So yes, I work on movies and television shows. I do want to plug, because I'm really proud of it, I did work on Avengers Infinity War. However, I didn't work on the whole movie. I was a temporary hire, but I did work on it, and I'm really proud of that. So, I mean, yeah, so I guess I'm pretty cool, you know? Essentially, what I do in the film industry is a little complicated, and it's a job that people don't really know exists in the movie making process. How do I describe what I do? Like, my job is so complex and it's so weird and it's such a weird niche of the film industry. It's just hard to explain to people that don't understand the filmmaking process. So I'm gonna try my best, and to hold on, guys, put your seatbelts on, because this is gonna be a wild ride. And just bear with me for a minute, okay? Essentially, what I do in the film industry is on-set visual effects. The scenario that I like to tell people to help them understand what I do is, imagine for a second, you're watching a wonderful, beautiful movie, the best movie you've ever watched in your entire freaking life. And the main character, they are on a computer, and they're hacking into the mainframe, okay? They're putting the code in to get the information that they're trying to get to solve the mystery or break into the bank to rob the bank, okay? Now, while they're filming that on set, I hate to break it to you guys, but the actor usually isn't a real hacker, and they're not really hacking on set. Sorry, I know, I just ruined the magic for you. So a lot of times what they do, they put a green screen on the monitor of the computer. Once they're done filming that scene, they send that scene off to post-production, where they then do something called comping in a graphic onto the screen to make it look like the actor is hacking into the computer. However, that gets a little difficult for a lot of reasons. If you're an actor, you're already freaking pretending to be someone that you're not, and you're remembering lines and all this mumbo jumbo. So adding another element of pretending you're looking at a screen when it's just green, it's too much going on for the actors. And on top of that, filming a green screen is really difficult. It's hard to comp, it's hard to get the shadows right, it's hard to, you gotta motion track it and get the reflections right. It's just too much. There's a lot of things that are involved. So that's where I come in and save the day, okay? I walk in there with my sexy looks, and I'm like, step aside, let the pros handle this, okay? And everyone's like, oh my gosh, he's so hot. Cringe, man. I'm so cringe. So essentially what I do to alleviate everybody's pain and discomfort on set when working with a green screen, I take the green screen out of the mix, okay? I go to that computer that they're working on and I build a graphic. I build a animation. I can load it onto this computer. The actor can directly interact with the graphic so they don't have to freaking pretend that they're looking at something. They just actually interact with what's on screen, and I'm able to remotely control that from afar. So if the director's like, yo, dude, I want this freaking window to pop up right here at this certain beat of the scene. Can you do that? I'm like, dude, bro, do you know who I am? Yeah, I can do that. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. I save the production money, and I have creative say in the filmmaking process, and I just feel really cool doing it. And I love my job, and that's what I. Who is this? Why did you invite me to a group? Hi. Will you kiss me, please? I need GF. Oh, I forgot to mention. So I work remote now. I used to, before COVID happened, I was on set doing all that junk. Now I work remote and I strictly just design the graphics, and then I send that off to production for them to use on set. So I no longer am on set for the most part. I just work remote right out of my van, build all the graphics right here on my battle station. It's pretty awesome. And the job is project-based, so I could work on a movie for about 3 months, and then once that movie's over, I am free to do whatever I want. I could be jobless for a few months if I really wanted to, or I could search for another gig. But oftentimes what I do is I work 9 months out of the year and then have 3 months off. Okay, so how can you, the viewer, fund van life? If you're looking into living and traveling out of a van, you're probably curious as to how you could fund this life, because getting into the film industry isn't that easy. It's quite a competitive industry. So there are some other options out there for you. Number one, what a lot of people do when living in a van, they are social media influencers. It's also not an easy field to get into. However, if you're smart about it, I'll be honest, it pays the bills, baby. I don't do this, but I know a lot of other van lifers do this. They partner with businesses and they're like, hey, send me your product. I'll review it. I'll make a post about it. I'll promote it on my Instagram, and just give me some money. And the business is often like, oh, that's great. That's some good marketing for us. So they send you the product, they pay you some money, you make a post, and bada bing, bada boom, you cash a check and you're rich. Okay, maybe it's not that easy, all right? However, oh, freak, he's coming back. He's coming back. Okay. Oh, my boy Hunter coming after him. Oh, no, that was a warlock. I gotta heal. Oh, gosh. I got the whole gang on me now. Oh, we got a whole war right now. Are you kidding me? Get him. Come on. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. It's a straight up war right now. Are you guys freaking kidding? Are you watching this? Oh, freak. I want the killing blow. Dang. Didn't have the killing blow. I am a druid, though, and I suck, so that's probably why. So, yeah, I mean, it's not that simple to do, but really you don't need a lot of followers to do something like that. If you have a professional-looking social media page, whether that's TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, whatever, you really don't need a lot of followers. It's all about presentation. I know people that have like 3,000 followers that are partnering with businesses and brands, and they're getting paid for it, and they're making good money. And a lot of times that is their full-time job. So that's something you can look into. If you don't want to do the whole brand partnering thing, which totally understandable, there are some other alternatives. You could start your own business, which I know that's a lot easier said than done, but if you're skilled at something in life, you need to be making money off of it, okay? And if you're skilled at something, usually you enjoy that thing. So why not put all your effort into working a job that you love, are able to do remotely whenever you want and be your own boss at, than working at like a freaking Burger King or something, which is, if that's what you like, that's cool. But I'm just saying, like, if you would rather be in a van, starting your own business is a great way to fund your travels. I got a friend who paints dog portraits, and she's able to pay the bills, and it's awesome. She's able to take clients in whenever she wants, and she doesn't have to work all the time. She gets to make her own hours, and she gets to make money on the road. Also, Instacart is an option for making money on the road. That is a job sort of like Uber Eats or something, but except you're shopping for groceries for people. And that's really cool because you could be traveling from state to state and still be able to make money, because you could be out in the middle of nowhere and be like, you know what, dude, I need to go make some money today. So you drive into town, you get on your Instacart app, and you just go deliver groceries to people. I don't know the logistics. I've never done it before, but I know my brother and his wife do it all the time. They make good money. So yeah, look into that too. Oh, here we go. Are you ready for this? I'm gonna get this hunter boy. Oh, he knows. Oh, he's level 66. He's gonna rock my world. He about to die. I'm gonna get him. Gonna get him, 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 gonna get him. Come on, bro. Yeah, slice and dice, just like that, just like that. Oh my gosh, there's another boy. He came up on me. Okay, he thinks he's cool. I'm gonna do this number. Oh, freak. Oh, crap. Hold on. I got this. Come on. No, freak. He's so good. He's so I hate rogues. I hate rogues so freaking much. Ah! Dude, that was so lame. I was disoriented for like 10 seconds. All right, everybody, I think that wraps it up for this video. I know it was all over the place, but hopefully it was informative for you, and hopefully it was at least a little bit entertaining. But yeah, I mean, if there is a remote job out there that would financially support this lifestyle that I missed, please comment it down below, because I'm sure there are a ton of people watching this video that are just trying to figure out how to financially support Vanlife, because I know that being a social media influencer and starting your own business and stuff is a lot easier said than done. I hope that you guys are able to find a way to support this lifestyle, because I want to hang out with you guys, bro. I think it would be so freaking dope if you guys and I were in vans and we met up somewhere and we just played games together in the middle of the woods together. That is my ultimate goal. I want to get there one day. That would be so freaking cool. But in the meantime, join my Discord, guys. Hang out with me. Let's game. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys stopping by and listening to me ramble and suck at World of Warcraft at the same time. I guess I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.